I need a replacement water heater gas valve model WV8860B1309. It's not available anywhere. Amazon has model WV8860B1317, the closest thing I can find. Will that work?
Have you replaced your water heater before? If so, how long ago?
Probably 10 to 12 years ago, I think.
How long has this been going on with your water heater? What have you tried so far?
I've replaced the burner door assembly, thermopile, pilot light, pilot tube.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I believe it's the gas valve. I did the 9V battery test on the gas valve unit. The control valve clicks, but the pilot light valve does not. The problem is the pilot goes out as soon as I let go of the switch, even after it is good and warm.
That valve is similar enough that it will most likely be the best replacement for your valve, as it appears that valve is no longer in production. With Amazon, however, they do have an excellent return policy in the event there is an issue with the capability of that new valve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.